Welcome to this Saturday morning live, and it's going to be a beautiful display. आज का theme जो है, it's like what will you not choose, because actually everything is so good that you will want to have all of these kurtas in your summer spring wardrobe. And I'm going to be starting with these wonderful fabrics. You may have seen a small glimpse of it yesterday. I think there's so much excitement in the air that I totally get it that you want to see them, and that's what we're going to be starting out. Now this wonderful fabric, first things first, is in Karwa. It's beautiful premium cotton. You can imagine yourself wearing this from morning to evening, just about any time. It is lovely. I will open it. And what I do have as a pairing is this very lightweight organza dupatta. You can see this here. You can see this combination right there. It's wonderful. Let's open it up for you. If you're going to be going for a plain bottom set with it, like a plain chanderi set for the bottom, and this beautiful dupatta and this fabric that's just to die for, it's 24,450 as a full complete set. Now I'm also giving you all of these mats so that it's really easy for you to wear to fit in your piece as a wardrobe. Maybe you say that, yaar, dupatta to theek hai, but I really want to focus on this beautiful fabric. Then I get that. Then this is about 6,800 per meter, and it is fabulous. And it is such a fresh color. It's going to be working for many looks, that you're going to be wearing. You can keep it fun and simple. You can make it dressy. It's going to be amazing. The fern is this season's most beautiful motif that you're seeing. It is amazing. It has surpassed the vision that I had for it with the way it has been crafted. Look at the detailing. It is amazing. Okay. It's also one of the thans that we have started to now make, and you will see this coming in many of our pieces where you'll see our name embossed. Okay. Look at that. A beautiful branding right there. And it's done so cleanly in gold. It's just brilliant. Look at that. Okay. So many of our thans will now start to have this wherever we can fit in. It's like an attached machine that we have to put in on the, loom, which will do this. And if that's going to be possible, it is most amazing. When you're wearing this, you're going to be wearing this one smart kurta. That's it. You don't have to worry about anything. You can wear a white crisp pant. You can be doing, I think I'll give you an idea. You can do an organza pants with it in Bhuta. Bahut sundar lagega. Wear it with white. It's going to be an amazing look for you. Look at the detailing once again at the fern. I'm so excited to be showcasing this to you in a live for the first time. This is 7,800 per meter. Okay, so first bottom that I'm going to give you is a organza Bhuta bottom. It's going to be wonderful with it. Now, ek cheez jo mujhe just, I want to do something more fun. And this, we did it for a client request yesterday, and that's how we got an idea. And I think it's amazing. This can be like a fun bottom. It's like a silk net. You can just do really cool kurta with this, and you can do it as a combination. Bahut cool lagega. You can go for a green lining, pink lining, that and this. And of course, my other suggestion is go for an organza Bhuta. It will kind of make it look really different. Now, I'm going to also kind of give you variations of things that's possible. That's why you end up in a live fabric. To aapne kal dekha hi hai. And of course, all of you have gotten started on shopping your summer looks, kurtas, simple kurtas. I think it makes so much sense. So great job at that. Now, the idea when you come in live is, of course, we want to show you something more. This is a beautiful, contrasting bani dupatta in the exact same color. And when you think summer wearings, then this is going to be such a great look for you to be wearing. So I think it's fantastic, and it's a great combination for you to be going for. And from that, I'm going to move on to yes, and it's a big one. This is the newest Neve Bhuta. For the very, very first time in linen. Look at the amazing color that you can see here. There's so many things that are special about it that I've done. This is a Nakshi weave in Resham. It was really my intention to give you a look that you will be able to wear as a cord, as a top, as a kurta with a, really vibrant yellow bottom. And that's the whole look. It's going to be casual, but it's going to be so, beautiful and classy. So when I say casual, I mean that it's a look that you really can build up, and you can just keep it like a very crisp, think Ralph Lauren dressing. This is going to be your counterpart in the India wear. So just so that we have positioned your look in your head, where is it that you can wear it? You know, it's amazing. Now, for me, I'm going to be doing something with it for the dupatta. One pairing is, of course, I'll give you this heads up. Kota silk dupatta, which is 3,600. Chanderi cotton dupatta, which is 5,800 with tassels. They are go-to dupattas with every fabric that you're seeing. हम दिखा रहे नहीं दिखा रहे, does not matter. It's going to look wonderful with all of that. Now, if you're going to be going with a kota kurta, kota dupatta, this kurta and a plain bottom, the price is going to be 28,050. So I've given that to you. This on its own is 8,800 per meter, makes it for a great top kurta with a white bottom or with a yellow bottom when you really want to rock a complete look. Now, I'm going to add just a kind of a, feel to it. This is a beautiful Georgette fabric. It's just most wonderful the way we make it, the way we build it. It's amazing, okay? In fact, I'm wearing a bottom of pure Georgette. I'll come more to that. Now, this is going to be, of course, an added one, but you can do this kind of a look. It really gives you a fluidity, but keeps it really easy. And you can go for the same color. For this, the reason why I'm actually showing you this, I'm going to keep it here for a bit, is that I wanted to show you this dupatta. It's the most beautiful dupatta with scallops, highlights like this. And if you want to go for something other than kota, then this is going to be a great look. Of course, having said that, I think this is a wonderful look together. Look at that. That's a beautiful look on its own. Very summery, very, very fresh. This, the plain Georgette is 3,450 per meter. And this dupatta is 14,500. And I think it's really pretty as a set. And this, of course, I've shown you the mats. It looks amazing. It feels great. You've seen the combination. So that fabric is to die for. It's amazing, okay? The softness of it, the feel of it. Look at that. It's brilliant. This is a blue shade, okay? Many of you asking since yesterday, does it appear to be green or does it appear to be blue? It's a beautiful blue. Now I'm going to come to this fabric that I'm wearing, and this one is linen. It's a multi Meena look. It's wonderful. For me, my look was based in Georgette with a Georgette bottom. If you're going to be going for this, then you might as well go for a Chanderi bottom. It's amazing. 6,800 per meter. It's brilliant. If you're going to be going for a kota dupatta like this, okay, I'm going to show you two color options. Then with a plain Chanderi bottom, a kota dupatta, and this fabric is going to be 23,050. Look at that. I think it looks amazing, when you wear it with blue. So let's show you, because I have both the options. So you can either go for the blue option, which is really nice, or you could go for the green option, which is also there. To me, honestly, I prefer the blue. I think it looks really nice. So yes, go for this as a look. Now, there's one thing that I want to say. This dupatta, this kota dupatta and the Chanderi 5,800 dupatta will work with every look that you're seeing. And let's start this. Now, we're going to go on to a next bit of it. You've seen those amazing looks. This is the next one that we're going to go for. Look at that. That's a brilliant look. I love it. It's a Chanderi dupatta. Extremely soft, very, very easy. Yes, I want to just hold it right so that you can go for 13,750 for the full three-piece, which means a plain bottom, this lovely dupatta that you're seeing here. I love it. Light and easy. These are the looks that you can go. If you want to go, surely do a same on same match, so badal jayega. But it's going to add value to it when you really want to give a light, dressy look. That's a great way of wearing it. And this wonderful teal color in Moonga. That's what I said. Today, you're going to be finding many complete option looks, all extremely different from one another. That's the joy. And there you go. So when I talk about the 5,800 Chanderi cotton dupatta, it's this one that will work with every piece that you've seen in terms of a fabric. And kota, I've just shown it to you. Now, 28,925, that's the match with a plain Chanderi bottom for this beautiful set that you're seeing here. It's a teal color. It's wonderful. A great semi-casual, which you can build up. That's the whole, idea about it. And from that, we're going to move on to our Chanderi cotton fabric in jacquard. Now, you can see I have a huge lot, wonderful lot here. This is a fabric, and I'm going to give you this. It was priced at 2250 earlier. We've moved it to 1800. Can you believe it? Yes, we have gone back and given you a really great price with a great design, all because we really want you to be exploring this. Wherever it's possible, wherever we can work on keeping things even better, making it even better, and getting it more competitive in pricing, we'll do that for you. 1800, which means 9000 for 5 meters dyeable in any color that you want. And this dupatta that is just come. Look how lovely it is. This is for 3600 and it's brilliant. Of course, tassel, no tassel look here. It's all resham and 12,600 for, okay, let's give you what it's for. 5 meters plus dupatta. It's brilliant. It's dyeable in any color of your choice. Okay. And that's what I said. The fern, the knee buta, cotton jacquard, the beautiful Sona Rupa that's going to just come, the one with Meena in this pastel pink and purple. Kya chhodenge aap? Right? There is nothing you really can leave today, guys. It's going to be a really tough one. That's why we have been showcasing this to you since yesterday to build it up for you, where you see it alive, you feel the idea that this is what I'm really looking for, because spring, summer, weddings, gathering, travel, Eid, everything is right here. So, and I think it's so good that so many of you said that, okay, I will worry about the dupatta. Just give me the kurta. It is such a nice, great energy for you guys when you come with that, because look at that. That is a brilliant one. This is 3,200 per meter. You can see the 5,800 dupatta. That's the plain bottom. Now, when you see something like this and the pricing is 16,250 for a three-piece suit, then you're thinking, मैं ये कहाँ नहीं पहनूं? Because you really can dress it up, keep it simple, wear it for a really nice, elegant dinner, travel in it, chote mote events, you can cover all of that in it. It's beautiful, Sona Rupa, the dupatta, the bottom is just perfection all together. And neon is my favorite. We're doing so many of that because, you really have that nice white pants, okay? So, when I say that kai baar kuch cheezein our wardrobe have, which means that when you have a nice white pant and you may do some work on it, you may do some lace on it, you can add, agar nahi bhi hai, so no fret guys, you can add organza white bottoms. And if you don't want to do it all organza, then you can do chanderi and niche ki jo lacing hai, you do it with organza, give it scallops like this for your bottom. You have a nice fancy white bottom, which means that you can then go for all the colors. Now look at that. That's a really nice one. And this, this is 5,400 per meter separately. That's the price of this fabric. Ab kota aap kar le, plain bottom kar le, the maths will be really easy. You'll add 3,600 plus 2,450. You'll have a complete set. But once we decide that we have an event where this will fit in perfectly and I want to kind of upgrade my look with it, then I'm going to either pick up the silver tissue with it, or I'm going to be picking up this, which is a gold tissue, which also makes for a great set. But, so that of course will bring it the price to 28,000 something with the fancy dupattas. When you want to make it more working for you, then you can always go for the plain match bottom and the Koda dupatta, 19,550 for the full 3-piece set. When you're coming up this morning, my point is to give you values, to give you ideas, to give you something more when you come here. 2,200 per meter. That's a great, brilliant fabric that you can do a kurta, a flary pant, a skirt. All of that is possible with this. And light work, hand work, it's going to look great. It's also possible. That's the tissue fabric. It's an all-season fabric. The composition is of silk with it, which is why you've got that really good sheen that one appreciates and, starts to look really nice. And On that note, hope you have caught our Dawat live. It was a really special one. So nice with all of its beautiful tissue combinations. And yes, our spotlight fabric for this month is, do you know it, guys? Do you know it? If you've not heard the news, we are going to be focusing on Chinia silk plain, Chinia silk buta. You're going to be seeing it in many ways. Yesterday, we have done an entire color palette video on Chinia silk, and it's brilliant. You must catch it. The reason behind it is that we want to focus on so many of our brilliant pieces, but at a time where it comes to a dyeable fabric, we'll go one way in each month and really show you what's possible, expand on the idea so that it really sits with you. Coming to this, the most wonderful silk chiffon, the lightest, the most elegant, and the finest that a hand can make. That's this brilliant piece right here with prints. It's amazing. This one is from our premium series in prints. These are about 13,800 per meter. It's gorgeous. My original vision will be the same, which will be kurta and dupatta of this with a plain silk bottom. That's always my look for it. Now, you say you want to really, replace the bottom with something more funkier. Go for this. It's going to be really good with it as well. Now, look at me wearing. You can carry it like this. So if you say, give me just a chinia suit in buta or in plain is going to be brilliant. There's no need for buta because I don't want to add zari to it. You're going to be going for this orangish color for your suit, and then you're going to wear this as a gorgeous dupatta. Now, think those poolside events where you really have that need to look different and, without ever feeling overwhelmed or overdressed. That's going to be your look. That exact point is going to be where you're going to be. Now, here it is. This one is an amazing, amazing look. Pink softness of it. This is our linens, and these are 5,200 per meter. Look at that. This is the gold. It's brilliant. And this will be really good with a chanderi cotton bottom. Now, for the dupatta, I'm going to go for this dupatta, and it's going to be your perfect match. There you go. So that's a pink on pink, looks great, feels great. I mean, I love it, okay? So that's going to be your dupatta, kurta, plain bottom, and it's perfect. Look at that look. So when you go for linen, it's going to be this. And when you go for a plain bottom, it just completes your set. It looks great. For your lighter dupatta options, you always have the chanderi and the kota, which works well. To me, this is just a great kurta to be having in your wardrobe too. There you go. Here it is, this, kal ke launches mein, this brilliant Sona Rupa. You've seen a glimpse of it from time to time with the most detailed crafting that there is. Okay? It just kind of so, intensely focuses on two things. This brilliant white, this is Ektara cotton, the finest that the hand can make. I can promise you that. And then this super detailed motif that you see here. Look at the finishing. Look at how it kind of stands out. That is most brilliant in it. And this is going to be now in two colors. We're going to be showcasing two colors to you. When you're wearing this, it's going to be an all white look. You cannot go wrong with any dupatta that you pair with it, honestly, because it's just that brilliant white. You can go for an organza, buta and the highlight dupatta, which comes at 12,800. It's going to be a really good match for it, completes it and gives you that white fluff, goddess-like look. It's going to be amazing. Then, of course, that's the dupatta which I'm talking about is the same dupatta in white, but you're going to be going for, organza. So that's going to be the look. So this is one dupatta. I'm showcasing it to you. I'm doing it for a reason that this you can be going for any of the dupattas. Okay, I mean, this is of course quite a contrast, but mainly to say that this sits so well and it looks really good. Here it is. So this one white kurta worn with a skirt. Now the skirt, kiska skirt banayenge aap? That's my question to you. To me, you're going to be doing a premium chanderi skirt, soft skirt, flary bottoms, always, interchangeable when it comes to that concept. So those two are possible. Dupatta from light to heavy, you can do any. This white 1 2.5 meter is a must have. मैं end में आपको recap करूंगी where I'm going to be showing you all the 2.5 meters that are just a must have. So that's because you have to have those easy looks. मैं आपको quickly I will show you the 2.5 meters, each of a different type, each of our beautiful new launches. जिसका 2.5 meter is a must have for your wardrobe. Now let's move on to this really dressy, something brilliant. This is 29,750 for your full set that comes. Now here it is, because I love the fact that this Georgette dupatta just matches this entire look. You can see the Meena really stand out, what brilliance it creates, what softness it does. And you know, Georgette is a fabric that travels extremely well. It's a fabric that will travel very, very well. This is the fern, it's appearing again. And you can see that all, yes, that branding is everything. But this detailing, guys, you just cannot miss the brilliance of fern. It is outstanding. And I'm so glad to present it to you this month, where we are all looking for that brilliant one kurta fabric that will kind of take us with different looks, you know, because I'm just going to pull out my white bottom. Like if I have a really nice Georgette bottom like this, I'm just going to wear it on that. Probably I'll keep it a little goldish, you know. So then you can do a liquid gold bottom. You can do a chanderi or a silk bottom, which is of this gold color. And then you will be, you know, just wearing many different looks with it. So if you're going to be going for a 5,800 dupatta, a kurta and a bottom, the chanderi dupatta, agar aap karte hain, to 27,750, that's going to be the maths. And yes, I think this particular fern is also formal enough. Okay, let me just see the front. It's formal enough for you to be wearing with a look like this. Look at that. Okay, it's formal enough to make this brilliant combination. And when you're wearing this, any wedding need is taken care of, tick, because I know you will be wearing some statement jewelry. This fabric looks brilliant with jewelry. Premium cotton is one fabric. Is pe aap heaviest of the jewelry you can wear, and it will sit right. Okay, it will sit right because it continues when you're wearing, you know, and of course you have such fabulous collection of jewelry. So जब आपने इतने वो सोच समझ के लिए हैं, अब जब आप पहनते हैं, you want an outfit which looks wonderful, but which also keeps your focus on your wonderful pieces of jewelry that you have. Premium cotton is that right match. It gives you that elegance. It's a great base, very pretty, very nice, and very, you know, something very, very classy. And at the same time, your brilliant jewels shine through. They look amazing. आपका collection जो आपने बनाया है वो actually दिखता है. So, you know, that's the beauty. And then you say, yeah, today I'm not wearing any heavy jewelry. Maybe just a long chain or something, you know, that's good enough because ये खुद में इतना सुंदर है. Now look at that. A bandi dupatta, which is in a statement, this brilliant red combination, you know, it's just the right mix of elegance, beauty, everything for you. Now, from that, we're going to go to this light and easy, go for a same on same, you know. I think that would be a good choice. Plain bottom to मैं सब में कर ही सकती हूँ, but if I'm doing a same on same look and you have this light soft dupatta, you think that it is going to be wearable just about anywhere. 5 meters plus the dupatta. This one is going to be 15,800. Now you do a plain bottom, of course, thoda maths kam ho jayega. It'll look great. Look at that. Elegance, like personified. That's the theme of this live. One fabric that you've been coming for, and I think we haven't shown it to you recently in the last few weeks, is our Katan Mani fabric. I absolutely get it because ये जो season है where spring, summer, Feb wedding, March wedding, this lightweight fabric, it's going to be brilliant for you to be dressing it up. Same on same as our look. Okay, that's one look. Then of course, kurta and the dupatta of the same and a plain katan bottom is the other look. And if you want a reference, ask us. We'll share the style reference to you. And I'm going to do something really special, make a suit out of it. And what are you going to add? You're going to add this. The brilliance of it, the lightness of it, it's outstanding. Today you're seeing the launch of so many new pieces, new looks for you. It's Saturday morning, and hope you guys have some time on your hand. We're going to be catching up this. We've launched, I think, 4 new designs yesterday. The fern, the knee boota in linen, the big Sona Rupa, and the Meenakari and the Sona Rupa premium cotton. We have all of that coming to you. Now look at this gorgeous chiffon from a premium series, and the combination is going to be this. You're going to be wearing this as a suit. So you have the Indian craft, beautiful bandhni, and this is going to be your dupatta. So that's the dupatta that's going to be, and I think it's really nice. Now you say, yaar, I just want to focus on this flow and this loveliness that there is. Then you're going to be doing a dupatta of this. I think it's just amazing the way it's been built, and it's just everything that you want in your spring look. Okay, so it's lightweight. Yes, you can drape it as a sari if that's what you want. You can do a kurta and a dupatta. That's my favorite look, with a plain bottom in any one of the colors. Green is what I'm going to prefer for this one. The other one is, I've tried that in the past, a kurta and a plain silk bottom. Because when you're really focusing on that, then you can do a kaftan style. But to me, this gorgeous fabric deserves a silhouette that you're going to be wearing forever. Okay? Don't go for something really, one-timer. Our pieces, honestly, are not one-timers, okay? I will tell you when I make that. Abhi tak to maine nahi banaya aisa kuch bhi, which is something that you wear once and do away with. These are, guys, going to be a part of your wardrobe forever, okay? And at least for a long, long time, even something like this, as simple and elegant as it is. Now, this one, 19725, what is it? No, I think the maths is wrong for this one, probably. With a plain bottom, this is a really nice chinia kota silk look that you have. And I do have one color that will come in this, and we can do that later on. And from that, okay, let me just do the color so that you've seen both of them together. Now, there you go. Here it is. Now, these are 4,800 per meter. So that's the look that you're going for. Here it is. I like it. Okay. This is a complete great look. 21,225. Looks good. Looks and feels great, that you should be going for. Okay. And here it is. Now the next thing that I have for you is, I think thoda sa hi reh gaya hai. It's not much, but thoda hai hamare paas. So I'm going to be showing you this brilliance that there is. But to make up, because it is the last cut, to make this up, can I get the other color in this as well? This brilliant color, and you saw this yesterday, one cut enough for a kurta. We were thinking ki same on same is a great look, but I also do think a plain chanderi cotton bottom will take you through. It's amazing, okay? But from that, I'm going to move on to this. That's the other color that we have, and it is the most beautiful brown that you're going to be seeing, okay? This is the most lovely brown that you can see. Here it is, because now what you are seeing here is all linen cotton. This is the most detailed Nakshi work of our motif in Resham cotton. Resham cotton. So that's the whole look, and this is brilliant. 2 options here. You've already seen the first one. I think it's amazing. These are 8,800 per meter. You can definitely go for this dupatta. It's a lightweight cotton bottom. You're going to go for 28,050 for a 3-piece set look. That's one. And then, because it is this one, I'm going to also give you another upgrade look with it. And that's going to be this. Look at that. It is brilliance altogether. This one is a wonderful daisy dupatta in mul tissue. I think it pairs so well, together. So here it is, just block. Okay, so that's a wonderful, complete look. Now, this one is going to be a full 3-piece set that you can go for. I have most amazing dupatta that you're seeing here. And this is something that you see. And this is Ektara. This is Meenakari. You can see the whole look right there. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay. So you can see that. And this one with its, this, very different tassels, the complete look is a great piece on its own. Because when you have summers, when you have Ektara, it kind of really takes care of all your dressiness without it being overwhelming. And here you couldn't go. There is no sound. Somebody's saying, can we check on that? So just give me a heads up, everybody on Instagram and YouTube, just for a second. I'm going to check on Facebook if there is a sound or not. I think somebody's saying that there is no sound on that. We can come again. We can repost. Here it is. Look at that. That is a brilliant piece on its own. This dupatta for 40,000, I think it's such a great statement with a plain silk suit. It's going to look amazing, okay? From that, we're going to go on to this one, which is the other color. It's too hot. What's happening? Is the AC not working? We are always asking ourselves this question. Of course, all kind of temperatures working. Anyways, so हमारे बॉम्बे में तो अभी भी गर्मी है. I know up in north it's still cold and nice. So that's the good part. We really, wait for those slightly cooler days. But this entire thing that we're showing you today is something that you'll wear in every season. You can never go wrong with it. Look at that. That's brilliant. This one is the other color. And जब हम ये दिखा रहे हैं, तो I want to get the other color also of this one so that we can show you all the looks. Now, that's going to be the idea. You're going to see looks which you can be wearing every single time. Just a kurta. That's going to be your first punchline. Or kya le kya chhode is going to be your second one, okay? So this, look at the elegance, guys. This is absolutely the finest cotton that one can make by hand. And the brilliance of it is right here in front of you. You have it in 3 color choices. Make it, to me, the first choice would be make a wonderful kurta, plain bottom, light dupatta. Because honestly, I wouldn't want you to save this for a day. I want you to wear it whenever you get a chance, okay? So that's your look. That's a 3-piece set you could go for. You can buy these separately. I think it's brilliant. These fabrics are 8,800 per meter. Now, whether you're going to be going for the pink, whether you're going to be going for this look, I think this one is a tissue dupatta. So look at that. It's a light tissue dupattas that works really well with it. You can see that. And this one is going to be 32,250 as a full 3-piece look. Very, very nice, okay? Now, another one of our brilliant pieces that we want to showcase to you. The reason we also got it out now was because this, that's something ekdam hat ke agar koi dupatta chahiye, we can be doing this. To me, the ideal look would be a plain chiniya suit and this most wonderful dupatta that you're going to be going for. Look at how it moves. Look at it, how it kind of just has that smooth effect. Very, very pretty. There you go. Okay, so there it is for you. Coming on to this color, and this is the color of मेरी Saturday morning तो इस look से ही बन गई. Look at that. It's amazing. It's the most brilliant Meena, and it's a Sona and a Rupa. It's got everything that you have. And wear it with a plain bottom. It's bound to be nice. It looks great. And you can go for a 23,050 for a full 3-piece set. Now, my only thing is that ye color jo hai, I would go for that. This color is slightly different. So I will go for a pink dupatta, which is going to be little matching, and we can do that. So, but it's just for you to imagine for, that's how we are. We always want the perfect look to you. कई बार हम खुद ही बनाते हैं, but अगर हमें लगता है कि we can do it better, I'm the first one who will say that to you. This is the brilliance that there is in this live because you are seeing so many looks which are ready to pick out. This one in many color options, pick out any, go for a kota dupatta. It's going to be brilliant in the base or in this color that you're seeing, jo Meena ka color hai. On that theme, I want to be showing you this, which is going to be, there you go. That's the look that there is. And I think it looks really nice. Here it is. So this one. Now, the last 3 pieces, that's what we are on to. And that's what we're going to be showcasing to you. There you go. This is the first one that you see. There you go. Here it is. I like this. It's a lightweight, easy wear. You can always have it. So this is the one that we have. From there, we're going to move on to this Chanderi set that you can see here, which is 1800 per meter, 4500 for 2.5 meter. It's brilliant, okay? Now, dupatta that will look slightly more dressy with the tassels done. Everything that's ready for you is here, okay? There you go. This one is a nice, complete look for you to be going for. Now, this one as a three-piece is 13,750. It's a full look that you can see right there. And the very last fabric for today is this one. Now, I love the brilliance of the pink. Wear it with a simple dupatta in hot pink. And then you can go for a something dressier one, this one. We're going to be recapping all the main fabrics for just a kurta that we're going to be doing in just now. You take a screenshot and you come and you place your order. So that's your look. It's going to be really nice as a full three-piece set. There you go. You can have it right there. Okay. Now, I think this is really good for a same on same if you're going to be doing a skirt and a kurta. It's going to look very dressy. It's going to add brilliance to it and this dupatta. Okay. Let's get on to all the, recap of all the wonderful pieces that you have to have. I'm going to show you one of each design. This, ye to in fact ulta hai. This is how clean it is, guys. Look at that. Here it is. This one, this brilliant knee buta in linen, in cotton. It's amazing. We have 3 colors for you to pick up from. This Sona Rupa that I so love. Okay. The most intricate design, one white perfect dress, that's what you're going to build with it, or that one white perfect kurta, that's going to be that. The next up is this one. Look at the purple. I'm not a really big purple fan, I'm going to be honest about it. But when you see this, you see how amazing it can be. Look at the, clean part of this weave. It is so clean, so fine. एक आदमी सोचेगा ये कैसे हाथ से बनता है, but this is made by hand, handcrafted for you. This one is the fern, available in 2 absolutely brilliant color. क्या लोगे, क्या छोड़ोगे? But the idea is that take your kurtas, wear them now. And this one is the cotton jacquard that we have that looks really good, that looks really nice, 1800 per meter. Wear it in any which ways, add flair to it. And of course, the chiffons that we did, which are absolutely graceful and that very classy, very elegant look for you. Thank you so much for joining in. It was really amazing. And have a great one ahead. See you soon again. Bye-bye.